Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to increase number by percentage in Excel. So let's get right into it. Suppose you want to increase the number 100 by percent, and all you need to do is go to a random cell and go to this drop down box and click it to percentage. Then write the desired percentage. Suppose I'm writing 60 and press enter. Then go to your go to the cell in which you want to just see your percentage, increased percentage. So I'm going in here. So then write equal and click on your cell that you want to modify, and then write plus and start a bracket. Then just click on the cell you want to modify again, then write star and click the percentage cell, and then close the bracket and press enter. And here you go, your cell is now modified and increased by percentage. And it was I increased it by 60% of 100, and it is currently 160. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can increase your number by percentage in Excel. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.